So a lot of the worries about this topic was mainly about the fear of AI to take their job. So since this has also touched me personally, and I have also had those thoughts, I thought this is the perfect time to ask: do you guys think I'm gonna lose my job? Yeah, Juan.
I can make a start. Hello, everyone. So I think something that we all need to understand is how fast AI is moving. There is only like one single thing that we all need to know about AI. That is how fast it's progressing, and that is something that makes us as humans feel very uncomfortable because we are not good with change. And on top of this change, we also have many concerns because these technologies are new, moving fast, and that many things that we're not ready for, and we're gonna need to adjust. So we're talking about people having like job security concerns, but also the ethical concerns about AI. That's another type of fear that people having fear of like security. There are real concerns about this technology. I think these concerns they're gonna go away with time. I think part of it is gonna be fixed with regulations, like organizations, countries, governments. They're gonna have to react to this, and this is gonna be part of it. Is gonna be fixed with regulations and policies. There is another big part of this that is gonna be solved with the companies making AI, making these tools safer for everyone to use as well. So that's going to reduce some concerns. And I think there is a lot that we can do as individuals as well to reduce some of these fears and risks. So AI is here to stay, like whether we like it or not. This is the world we live in, and I think the only thing we can do is adjust, adapt to it. And so I think it's only by better understanding AI, what AI can do, what AI cannot do, what to expect from AI, what not to expect from AI, what task to delegate to AI, which task like not to delegate to AI, how to reduce those hallucinations that AI sometimes do. By learning more and understanding better, we can also make better informed decisions. And I think we have fear about the AI because it's something new, but I think they're gonna go away with time. What do you think, Jeva?
Yeah, I 100% agree. Like I was thinking, about it like some time ago, and I don't think there will be less jobs or there will be less work to do. Just think about all the projects that you wanted to do, but you couldn't because there was no time or there was no resource, right? Or think about, all the product releases we wanted to do in addition to what we have done just due to lack of resource. Or, sometimes we have all these great ideas that if there were the right tools, if we knew a little bit of design or if we knew a little bit of programming, we could kind of, bring them to life. So I think there will be more products and more services, and more new experiences than seen before. And that's what happens with every technological revolution, right? I think the challenge here is more how fast we can adjust so we can be at the forefront of that revolution. So there will be more jobs, and maybe they will be a little different. But if you think about it like from a positive kind of side of things, just imagine, I mean, you were doing this specialized thing as a developer or as a designer or as a marketer. This tool today allows you to kind of be in charge of a whole new thing. You can run a project on your own end to end. All you need to know is kind of, like the principles of design, the principles of programming, the principles of, marketing, but it gives you an opportunity to kind of, build an end-to-end thing and test it, like, without attracting, like without bringing a lot of people or without attracting additional funding. So in terms of possibilities, I think it's pretty incredible, like how much you can do with it. But I mean, it's not like things will change. But then there is another positive thing that learning new things has become easier than ever before. So now you can use the new technology, AI, to teach you things as well. Like it's not the only source, obviously, yet. We're not there yet, but it can help you, just like I was like witnessing an interesting experience the other day. Like there are charts that kind of talk to you. So if you had to go through the whole kind of, data literacy training and then do a lot of kind of data acquiring and, just to be able to make database decisions today, it's much, much easier, So you'll get the insights right away. All you need is to understand the insights and apply it for whatever goal you have. So whether we like it or not, as Juan said, the technology is here to stay. Unfortunately, we cannot control that part. But I think if we think positively and if we work towards embracing the technology, we'll see great benefits and kind of nobody will be left without a job in the long term. So that's my take on it.
Okay, so looks like me and the rest of the guys worried should not be that worried. We are just going to do something that is more interesting, maybe like more creative, and just delegate some of the stuff to the AI. So